Good day, everyone. You are welcome to another segment of iCode Tutor. Today, we are going to be looking at motion in physics. What is motion? If you are being asked to define what motion is all about, now, motion can be defined as the change of position of an object over time. It is described using concepts like displacement, distance, speed, velocity, acceleration, and time. Motion can be broadly classified into types like translatory motion, rotational motion, random motion or zigzag motion, and oscillatory motion. Now, when we are talking about translatory motion is a type of motion that moves on a straight line. Now, we have rotational motion. Rotational motion is the type of motion that moves in a random way, in a circular way. Now, while random or zigzag motion is the type of motion that moves without giving any particular path. Oscillatory motion is the type of motion that moves to and fro. Now, under a motion, we have what we call equation of motion. Equation of motion. Now, before moving to the equation of motion, there are some things you need to note. Take note, like S, which is displacement, and being referred to as distance at times, distance. Now, you need to note the unit of each of these. Now, when we are talking about displacement and distance, there is what we call SI unit. SI unit. SI unit is an advanced means of measurement and is being referred to as standard international unit. Standard international unit. Now that means that the unit of distance of this or displacement is in meter. Now, another one is U, which is initial velocity. Initial velocity. The unit of this one is in meter per seconds or meter per seconds. Now, another one is V, which is final velocity. Final velocity. The unit of this one also is meter per seconds or meter per seconds. Now, another one is T, which is time. Time. The unit of this one is seconds. Now, the last but not the least, acceleration. 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 The unit of acceleration is meter per second square or meter per second square. Now, these are some things we need to note under the equation of motion. Now, the next thing is to look at how the equation of motion was derived. How the equation of motion was derived. Now, the first thing is from acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. That means that A equals change in velocity all over time taken, which is the same thing as V minus U all over T. That is A equals V minus U all over T. Now let's cross multiply. This one will be V minus U equals AT. Let's make V the subject. Therefore, V equals, take negative U to the other side, become positive U. That's U plus AT. Now, the next one is we have average velocity. Since average velocity equals V plus U over 2. V plus U all over 2. Now, let's substitute the value of V into the value of V here. That's V average equals u plus at plus u all over 2. V average equals u plus u is 2u over 2 plus 80 over 2. Now, since we have this, 2 cancel 2. That's V average equals u plus half AT. Now, since velocity equals distance all over time or displacement over time. Now substitute the value of v, which is x over t, into here. This one will now be s over t equals u plus half at. Now let's cross multiply. Let's say this one is over 1. Let's cross multiply. That means that x now equals u plus half at into t. We are multiplying through by t. Therefore, s equals ut plus half at squared. Now, this is another equation of motion. Now, let's move to the last part. Now, from this equation, from v equals u plus at. Now, let's square both sides. Square both sides. That means that we have v squared equals u plus at all is squared. Is that clear? Now, after that, this one now will now be v squared equals u plus at into u plus at. Now, the next thing is to open the bracket. When we open this bracket, we are going to arrive at v squared equals u squared, that is u times u is u squared, plus uat plus uat plus uat again, uat plus a squared t squared, a squared t squared. Now the next thing will be v squared equals u squared plus uat plus uat, that's 2uat plus a squared t squared. Now the next thing is to, let's factorize this. This one will be v squared equals u squared plus 2, what's common here? It's 2a into, that means that we are left with ut here, ut plus half at squared. Why do we have 80, half at squared? That once you open this one again, you are still going to arrive at this. That is 2 times half will give you 1. A times a is a squared. That means that therefore, since x equals ut plus half at squared, that is from here, we have our s equals ut. That means that we are substituting this value in replace for x. That means that this one will now be v squared equals u squared plus 2as. This is the final equation of motion. Now, if you have any question pertaining to this particular topic, kindly let us know from the comment section. And also, feel free to help us to share this particular video. Thanks so much.